Every day, animals across our community are fed. Have you ever wondered where that feed comes from? It doesn't just appear on farms. It's made right here.
We are a farmer-owned co-op. That means we have about 600 to 700 members that own us, and we make feed for cattle, sheep, goats, pigs, pretty much everything but horses here at this location.
This facility manufactures feed for cows, pigs, and other livestock. By combining grains, nutrients, and science, they create balanced feed that keeps animals healthy and farms running.
So we have to get ingredients in first of all. So we get ingredients in, and then we store them in bins, and then Bill will send formulas back that we need to make for certain customers. And the formula will call for so many pounds of each ingredient. Pretty much a computer does everything. We just more or less babysit it. But then it'll make the feed, we'll put it in a bin, and then I schedule it on a truck, and that truck delivers it to the farm.
So what's so cool about feed manufacture? It's not just grain and trucks. It's technology, teamwork, and precision working together. From moments ingredients arrive to the final bag of feed, every batch must be exact. Every step matters.
Well, it supplies feed for the cattle, which in turn supplies feed for us at the grocery store.
This manufacturer doesn't just create a product. It supports farmers, it feeds animals, and helps put food on our table. Without manufacturing like this, agriculture couldn't run.
Manufacturing is more than machines. It's people, technology, and purpose. So what's so cool about manufacturing feed? It helps feed the world.
Wow.